नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर हेमा सिंह, कंसल्टेंट एंडोक्राइनोलॉजिस्ट, मेट्रो मास हॉस्पिटल जयपुर। क्या आप सभी जानते हैं कि बहुत सिंपल से योगा पोजेस की मदद से हम हमारे हार्ट और ब्लड शुगर के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चेंजेस ला सकते हैं। आइए जानते हैं कुछ सिंपल योगा येट इफ़ेक्टिव योगा पोजेस के बारे में। क्या आप बहुत ही सिंपल बट पावरफुल योगा पोज के बारे में जानते हैं जिसको तदासन कहते हैं? So this is the first step to a stronger heart and healthier life. तदासन, जिसको माउंटेन पोज भी कहा जाता है, ये हमारे हार्ट हेल्थ के लिए और हमारे ब्लड शुगर कंट्रोल के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है। इट अलाइंस योर बॉडी एंड ओपन्स योर लंग्स, जिससे हमारे ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स को बूस्ट मिलता है, हमारे ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स बूस्ट होते हैं और हमारे एनर्जी लेवल्स बूस्ट होते हैं। So better posture and breathe means improved circulation and more stable blood pressure. तदासन हमारी बॉडी को मदद करता है इंसुलिन को ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिवली यूज़ करने में, जिसकी वजह से हमारे ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स कम होते हैं एंड इट्स अ वेरी बिग विन फॉर डायबिटीज़ केयर। हर एक ब्रीथ के साथ ये हमारे माइंड को और बॉडी को काम करता है, जिससे हमारी स्ट्रेस रिड्यूस होती है। एंड यू ऑल नो दैट स्ट्रेस इज़ अ साइलेंट एनिमी ऑफ द हार्ट. So start small, stand tall, breathe deep. So looking for balance in body and heart, Vrikshasana or the tree pose, it's more than just standing tall. It's a heart-friendly powerhouse.
Let's start with Vrikshasana. Right leg, inhalation, keep on the groin of left leg. Now both the hands sidewards, inhalation. Join your both the hands. Go behind your ears, focus on one point, turn your palms, exhale. Very gently come down, very gently.
It enhances your circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients where your body needs them the most. So tree pose calms the nervous system, easing stress, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. It also strengthens your legs and core, employing balance, stability and supporting a healthier heart. So root yourself, breathe deep. Let Vrikshasana help your heart. Need a heart lifting stretch that also helps with blood sugar? Bhujangasana or the cobra pose opens you up literally and figuratively. It opens the chest, boosts circulation and brings more oxygen to your heart.
Bhujangasana. Touch your forehead on the ground. Keep your both hands next to your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, lower chest. Okay, elbows inside. While inhaling, very gently, slowly lift your nose. Lift your, okay, for senior citizen, leave your both the hands. Lower back upwards, neck upwards. Heels together deliberately. Chest expanded. Exhale, very gently come down. Gently come down. Touch your both the hands next to your forehead touching on the ground. Relax.
Regular practice may help lower blood sugar, making it a great ally for diabetes care. It builds back strength, your posture, reducing pressure on the heart. By stretching the chest and lungs, it improves breathing capacity, which is vital for healthy heart. Breathe deep, stand strong. Let Bhujangasana power your heart and balance your body. So want one more pose to open your heart, calm your mind and balance your sugars? Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose.
We can do these variations in two different ways. One is excellent person who can perform very well, and second one is the special population who can utilize the blocks or the towel with roll or the blanket, roller blanket below their lower back. Okay, keep your both hands by the side of your body, 1 foot distance between two legs. Now inhalation, lift your core part of the body and very gently, slowly try to lift upwards as much as possible. Now those who can utilize the blocks can keep the blocks from down below your lower back and try to hold your position. Stay there, close the eyes and just enjoy the asanas. One of the wonderful asanas to opening your chest. Exhale and slowly come down. Remove your towel, break or blocks. Keep aside.
Connect strength with serenity. It enhances circulation, especially to the lower body, delivering oxygen and energy where it's needed the most. Lifting the chest stretches the heart area, relieving tension and supporting heart health. It can boost insulin sensitivity, helping to stabilize blood sugar. Deep breaths in the pose help reduce stress and blood pressure, which are both crucial for heart wellness. Strong, open and calm Setu Bandhanasana helps your heart bridge the gap to better health. Now looking to open your heart, breathe deeper and feel lighter. Dhanurasana or the bow pose, it stretches more than just your body. It opens pathways to better health. This back bend stimulates blood flow in the chest and abdomen, fueling your heart with oxygen and vitality. It's believed to stimulate the pancreas, supporting insulin production and helping regulate blood sugar. The pose opens your chest, expands your lungs and improves respiratory function. Dhanurasana helps release tension and emotional blocks, bringing calm, clarity and joy. Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend, works wonders for your heart and body. This forward bend enhances circulation, helping your heart and brain receive more oxygen and strength.
Paschimottanasana. Keep your both hands next to your chest. Go back, toe fingers inwards. Inhalation while exhaling. Come forward and try to touch your both the hands to toes. Erect your back, push your chest downwards and chin up and bend forward as much as possible. Relax. Inhale, come up very gently. Keep your both hands on the thighs.
It also improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. Paschimottanasana helps lower stress and anxiety, which are key factors in maintaining a healthy heart. By improving circulation and reducing stress, it may even help regulate blood pressure. So bend, breathe and let Paschimottanasana bring balance and heart to your health. तो दोस्तों इस योगा डे पे मैं आपको यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि जो भी हार्ट पेशेंट्स हैं या डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स हैं, आपको अपनी मेडिसिन्स तो समय पे लेना ही है, डॉक्टर की सलाह फॉलो करना ही है। बस इनके साथ साथ ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी रखें, अच्छे खान पान, हेल्दी डाइट, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज के अलावा अगर आप योगा को भी अपने ट्रीटमेंट प्लान में इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं तो जैसा कि हमने ये कुछ योगा पोजेस के थ्रू समझाने की कोशिश की कि उसके साथ हम ना केवल अपने हार्ट को हेल्दी कर सकते हैं, अपने पैनक्रियाज को स्टिमुलेट कर सकते हैं, इंसुलिन सिक्रीशन बढ़ा सकते हैं और इवन जो इंसुलिन सिक्रीट हुआ है उसका यूटिलाइजेशन बेटर कर सकते हैं। इसलिए दवाइयों के साथ साथ आप अपनी लाइफस्टाइल पे ध्यान रखें और योगा को भी अपने ट्रीटमेंट पार्ट का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा बनाएं और उसको रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करें। And if you are looking for some more simple ways to care for your heart and sugar levels, go ahead and follow the channel. We have got more things coming. Take care and keep your breathing easy.